Hola amigos, welcome back. Today, we're diving into the heart of Mexican culture as we attend our first quinceañera in Mexico. You will get front row and get to experience what a traditional Mexican quinceañera fiesta looks like. We are in Zapopan, Jalisco. If you don't know where that is, it's right next to Guadalajara. A friend of ours invited us to attend his daughter's grand birthday party. Deden has never experienced the magic of a quinceañera before, so we packed our bags and headed over to attend an unforgettable cultural fiesta. We're starting out at a church where there will be prayers, blessings, and a sprinkle of holy water, all wrapped up in a beautiful ceremony, marking our quinceañera's journey to womanhood. It's a touching moment filled with tradition, faith, and family love. So what exactly is a quinceañera, you may ask? Well, if you are from the US, it's like a Sweet 16, but with a spicy Mexican twist. It's a grand celebration marking a young lady's 15th birthday, symbolizing her transition into womanhood. Think of it as an ultimate fiesta, with family, friends, dancing, and of course, lots of tequila. This fiesta went on until 3 in the morning. Once the priest finishes his blessings, it's time to take photos with friends and family that showed up to church. Generally, it's the close friends and family that will attend the church blessing early this morning. If you're enjoying this, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe. Join us for more incredible adventures ahead. After the beautiful church ceremony, we headed over to get a bite to eat with a quinceañera and family at a restaurant. The party was at a beautiful venue in the outskirts of the city. It feels like for quinceañeras, it's all about the dress, the glam, and sparkle. The dress will be a stunning gown fit for a princess in their favorite vibrant color. Some quinceañeras will also have a photo shoot. She will shine like a star, posing in her stunning gown amidst breathtaking backdrops, from picturesque gardens to historic landmarks. Some shots will be printed and exhibited at the entrance of the venue. Any Mexican celebration will not be complete without a delicious meal, and is when we went to Taco Heaven. Handmade fresh tortillas, so many varieties to choose from. Just remember, what happens at the taco buffet stays at the taco buffet. And to wash down this tasty meal is a locally distilled tequila. What's for dessert? A cake that's sweeter than Abuelita's smiles. There was a stage set up with a massive sound system and vibrant lighting. Little by little, the venue was filling up and the fiesta is soon to begin. Our quinceañera takes center stage with her chambelanes, gracefully gliding across the dance floor like some synchronized swans. And at the end, she shares a heartful dance with her father. This is the moment when the quinceañera gives thanks to all those who came and raises a glass for a heartful cheers, a beautiful gesture that captures the spirit of gratitude. The party was in full swing, and it is time to dance. If you are not a dancer, then there is an endless amount of something here that can help you dance. Yes, tequila, the liquid courage that turns "I can't dance" into "watch me dance to cumbia." While every quinceañera may have its own unique flair, depending on the preferences and location, they all share some same seriously spicy traditional customs. And this one, well, hold on to your sombreros because it kicked things up a notch, with not one but 2 bands. The first band had us grooving to the beats of popular American and Mexican tunes, with some shows and activities that had us laughing and dancing till our feet begged for mercy. The second band brought the authentic Mexican banda vibes. Oh, so cute. Look at that little girl dancing with some cute dance moves.
I just wanna have fun, turn around now, turn around now. I just want fun, I wanna turn around, dance. I just want fun, I wanna turn around now. I just wanna have fun, turn around now. I just wanna out and turn around now, I just want fun, I wanna.
Later, the quinceañera gave another dance performance, and after came the highlight of the night, with square dancing to American country songs that have been translated to Spanish, but the square dancing remained the same.
Continúa la música. ¿A dónde va?
This was definitely one of my favorite activities, jump roping. It was quite hilarious and went on for a little while. If you don't know who this character is, it's Luis Miguel, one of Mexico's popular singers that gained popularity in the 80s and 90s. I would label him like Mexico's Michael Jackson. Even today, his music is still very popular. I have a link in the description if you'd like to watch a longer 30-minute video of this fiesta. Abajo en la descripción de este video está un link si quieres ver un video más largo de 30 minutos de esta fiesta. Yeah, I know, my Spanish isn't that great. A thank you goes out to the Cisneros family for the invite and allowing us to shoot. We hope in the future we can get to experience a traditional Mexican wedding. And there you have it, amigos. A quinceañera to remember, filled with love, laughter, and enough memories to last a lifetime. Until next time, stay curious, my friends.